How to change the password of your webmail account in cPanel. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cPanel, this is the cPanel dashboard we see. Once you're inside cPanel, scroll to the email section and click on Email Accounts. Now you will see a list of all the webmail accounts that have been created in cPanel. Next, select the webmail account for which you want to change the password, and click the Manage button next to it. This will open the webmail account settings page, where you can change the password. In this page, under the password section, you have two options. You can click Generate to create a strong random password automatically, or type your own custom password for the webmail account. After entering the new password, scroll down and click the Update Email Settings button to save the password change. And done. This is how you can change the password of your webmail account in cPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.